Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your 10th class maths lecture. In this lecture, you will cover the second question of exercise 2.2. We will cover its first four parts in this lecture. Question 2 states evaluate. Before the start of the question, you have to remember these four formulas. We have already used these formulas in the previous question we have done, but remember them that omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1. The value of omega cube is 1. Omega is equals to minus 1 plus under root minus 3 by 2, and omega square is equals to minus 1 minus under root minus 3 by 2. The first formula can be changed or altered, like we can have the value of omega, which would be minus 1 minus omega, or minus could be here minus omega equals to 1 plus omega square, or we can have the value of minus omega square, it will be 1 plus omega. So we can alter the first formula and can have the values of omega and omega square as well. Coming to the first part, it states 1 minus omega square whole power 7. We have three values inside the bracket. We have to look that which formula can be applied. We have omega and omega square, but we don't have that plus sign inside them. So what could be the first step? We can take minus common. We can write it like 1 minus and then bracket and then omega plus omega square, because this minus sign will change the sign of omega square. So it will become omega plus omega square and the power of 7 will remain the same. So we can replace this omega plus omega square with its value, which is minus 1. It will be 1 minus into minus 1 whole power 7. Minus into minus 1 will become plus 1. 1 plus 1 will 2, and taking the power of 2 as 7, we will get the answer 128. What we have done, we have to change the given equation to any of the formula that can be applied afterwards. We had omega and omega square, but we did not had the plus sign here. So to have the plus sign, we know that when we take minus as the common sign, our signs change. So same goes here. We take minus as the common sign and change the sign of the bracket of the central term. So omega, it becomes omega plus omega square. Then we replaced it with its value. Again, remember the formulas. Part 2 states 1 minus 3 omega minus 3 omega square whole power 5. Again, we are having omega and omega square, but the sign is not the same. We are having minus and we must be having plus to change it to the given value. Minus 3 omega and minus 3 omega square, what can be taken as common? Minus 3, because omega can't be taken as common digit, because we need to have omega and omega square in the inside the bracket. So minus 3 will be taken as common digit. So what will be written inside the bracket? In the first side only omega remains, so it will be written. Then this minus will be changed to plus because of that minus sign. So omega plus omega square will be there inside the bracket. Putting the value of omega plus omega square, which is minus 1. So here we have written minus 1 instead of omega plus omega square. Minus 3 into minus 1 will become plus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 3 will become 4, and taking the power of 4 as 5, we will get the answer 1024. No further solution is possible, so 1024 is our answer. Coming to the third part, we have 9 plus 4 omega square whole power cube. We have the sign of plus, we have omega and omega square, so only 4 is the digit that we don't need with omega and omega square. So in the solution, we will take 4 as the common digit. 9 will remain the same, plus will remain the same. 4 omega and 4 omega square, we can take 4 as the common digit. The things inside the bracket will be omega plus omega square, and the power of 3 will remain the same. Instead of omega plus omega square, again we have replaced it with minus 1. So 9 plus 4 into minus 1 will become 9 minus 4 and the power of 3. 9 minus 4 will become 5, and taking the cube of 5 we will get the answer 125. That is the answer because no further solution is possible here. Coming to the fourth part. In the fourth part we are having two brackets, and inside both the two brackets we are having three terms. Talking about the first bracket, 2 plus 2 omega minus 2 omega cube. Previously we took minus sign as the common digit and changed that minus to plus because we were having minus here as well. If we have minus here, we can take minus 2 as common and this will become omega plus omega square, or we can, after taking minus 3 as the common digit, we will be having omega minus omega square. We don't have any value of it. So what we can do, I have now first of all look at the formulas. Omega plus omega square, I have altered this formula. I have taken this plus 1 here with omega, it becomes omega plus 1, and taking that omega square to the other side it becomes minus omega square. So omega plus 1 can be replaced with minus omega square. Same goes if I take omega to the other side, it will become minus omega and omega square, and this minus 1 will become plus 1. So now we are having two more values. One is the value of omega plus 1 and the second is the value of omega square plus 1. Now coming back to the question. If I take common from the first two digits, what is the common digit here? 2 is the common digit. So what will remains inside the bracket? It will become 1 plus omega. So can I replace it with some digit? Yes, I can replace it with minus omega square. Talking about the second bracket, if I take common from 3 and minus 3 omega, it will become minus 1 minus omega. Can I have any value of 1 minus omega? No, I don't have any value of 1 minus omega. So that is not possible. We cannot take common from first two digits. So what will we do? The first bracket is simple. We have taken common 2 and the remaining digit is 1 plus omega. Minus 2 omega square remains the same. But talking about the second bracket, I have arranged that bracket first. 3 then plus 3 omega square because we can take common from these two and we can have 1 plus omega square inside the bracket, which is the value of minus omega. So I have arranged this side first, and 3 plus 3 omega square will be written together and this minus 3 omega will be written at the end. In the next step, I have taken common from the second bracket as well. So minus is the common digit from the second bracket, 3 is the common digit. So what remains inside the bracket? 3 will be changed to 1. Then this plus sign, 3 is outside the bracket, so omega square will be written inside the bracket. Minus 3 omega will be this same. Now replacing all the values. What is the value of 1 plus omega? Here is the value minus omega square. So I have written minus omega square instead of 1 plus omega. And what is the value of 1 plus omega square? The value of 1 plus omega square is minus omega, so it will be replaced by it. Omega square plus 1 or 1 plus omega square, the thing is the same. Multiplying the brackets, 2 will be multiplied with minus omega square, so plus minus will become minus and 2 omega square. This minus 2 omega square will remain the same. Again here multiplying the brackets, it becomes minus 3 omega and minus 3 omega remains the same. So again recalling the steps, what we first done is to arrange the brackets. First of all, we arranged the brackets. After arrangement, we took common from the first two digits from both the brackets. After taking common from the first two digits, we have replaced them with their values, which was minus omega and minus omega square. Now we have multiplied the brackets. Minus 2 and minus 2 will become minus 4 and omega square will remain the same. जैसे आपको पता है कि minus x is minus 2x. Same goes with omega. Minus 2 omega square and minus 2 omega square will become minus 4 omega square, and minus 3 omega minus 3 omega will become minus 6. We are having two brackets here, so we will multiply those brackets. Minus minus will be changed to plus. 4 into 6 is 24, and omega square and omega will become omega cube because the bases are multiplying with each other, so the powers will get added. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. We have the value of omega cube as well, which is 1. The value of omega cube here, it is written equals to 1, so we cannot leave the answer here because we have the value of omega cube, so we will put it. The value of omega cube is 1, so the cube of 1 is always 1, so our answer will be 24.